Awesome beauty tips/hacks every girl should know. Beautiful is a word that is used to describe women in countless ways. It can be used to describe their personality, their physical appearance, and the way they dress. But it has been around for a long time before the term beautiful was coined. The earliest references to the word beautiful derive from ancient Greece and Rome, where it was used as a term for someone who possessed knowledge and intelligence, Latin, bellum. The history of beautiful women is vast, with so many different cultures with different ideals of beauty. In ancient Greece and Rome, beautiful women were considered warriors and intellectual leaders. In China, they were expected to be obedient and subdued. In Italy during the Renaissance period, they were expected to be artistic beauties with perfect bodies. During Victorian England, the history of beautiful women is a continuum where there is always someone to be more beautiful than the last woman. From ancient times, women who have been considered beautiful are those with a reputation to maintain. There is an increase in the number of beauty standards, and what is considered beautiful changes depending on the time period. Some of us see beauty in old age while others see it in youth. One woman who was considered by many to be one of the most beautiful women ever created was Cleopatra. History of beautiful women is an interesting topic. There are many different versions of it. Has the beauty of women always been important, or is there a reason to think that the world's obsession with beauty is a recent development? Is the use of cosmetics and makeup a sign that women in history have become more concerned with how they look? Women have been considered beautiful since the dawn of time. As a result, they have been portrayed in writings, paintings, and sculptures across cultures throughout history. The earliest depictions of women are found in the art and writing of ancient Greece. The first female example is Venus from Greek mythology. They were also depicted in paintings and sculptures by artists such as Michelangelo Buonarroti, Albrecht Dürer, Hogarth, Goya, and Picasso. Beautiful women are an important part of the history of the world. They have shaped civilization and culture in many different ways, from religion to art and literature. The history of beautiful women is a long one, spanning from prehistoric times to modern day. Many cultures have been fascinated by beauty and have made depictions of these women since time immemorial. An interesting fact about this topic is that studies show that when people look at a picture of a beautiful woman, they can unconsciously improve their own health too. You know beauty hacks like blot your oil and use a spoon instead of a blush brush. But we think we can make you better. How about these awesome beauty tips/hacks below? They're perfect for helping you get through your day looking beautiful and feeling good. Also, they will surely enhance your beauty routine. With all of these ideas, you'll be looking good in no time at all. Whether it's the middle of the afternoon and you look like crap, or if it's the first thing in the morning and you just rolled out of bed, quickly follow these easy steps to do something about it. Every girl should know this by now. 1. Run cold water over your eyes to depuff them when you wake up in the morning. 2. If you feel like your eyes are puffy, use an ice cube wrapped in a thin washcloth to reduce swelling. 3. To even out the color of your eyelids, mix a drop of lemon juice with some foundation and brush it onto your eyelid with a thin, flat paintbrush. 4. Put Visine on blackheads at night to shrink them overnight. Leave the Visine on for 5 minutes before you go to sleep and wash it off in the morning, so it doesn't make your eyeballs red. 5. Get better looking legs by shaving them while you're taking a shower using conditioner instead of shaving cream as a lubricant. Rinse off the conditioner when you're done. 6. Use a white eyeliner pencil on your waterline, the area right below the bottom lashes, to make your eyes look bigger. 7. To make any eyeshadow stay put longer, dust a layer of translucent powder over it before going on with your eye makeup routine. 8. Put ice cubes in a resealable plastic bag and lay them across your eyes for 4 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles under your eyes. The cold constricts blood vessels, which helps fade dark colors beneath the eyes that result from those tiny broken blood vessels from lack of sleep or from allergies. 9. Use leftover coffee as an exfoliator for your face, by mixing it with a little bit of brown sugar and rubbing it gently onto your skin. 10. Put cucumber slices over your eyes to reduce puffiness, leave them on for 15 minutes or until the slices dry. 11. Save time during the morning routine by putting your hair up in rollers, or sock buns, overnight to curl it under, which allows you to skip curling irons and straightening irons. Just spray each section of hair with water before applying the rollers/sock buns, that they'll stay put longer. 12. Use a rubber band as an instant eyelash curler before applying mascara to lift lashes upward. 13. Put a little toothpaste on pimples overnight for faster results, or if you really want to destroy one, put an egg white on it and make sure you cover it by morning. 14. If your hair is frizzy, add a drop of olive oil to damp hair before blow drying. Your locks will be super shiny and sleek. 15. Use the gel from an old disposable razor in lieu of shaving cream, also works in place of mousse. Not only does this feel amazing, but it's really cheap and easy to do. 16. Mix a little baking soda with your shampoo to help get rid of any built-up product or oils in your hair. 17. Curl your lashes before you put on mascara for an instant eye lift. 18. Dabbing some highlighter on the Cupid's bow above your top lip makes your smile look extra pretty. 19. If you have a few minutes before leaving the house and don't have time to do a full face of makeup, use a bronzer to contour your cheeks, temples, and jawline for an instant facelift. 20. To keep from getting lipstick on your teeth, put your index finger in your mouth and close your lips around it. Push your finger out while keeping your lips together. The lipstick will be on your finger rather than on your teeth. 21. If you're having a bad skin day, use a green concealer to counteract any redness or blemishes. 22. Wearing blush on the apples of your cheeks will give you a healthy, natural glow. 23. To make eyeshadow last all day, start with a primer. It'll help keep the shadow from fading or creasing. 24. To make eyeliner stay put, line the waterline of your lower lashes as well as the top lash line. This will create a barrier and help the liner stay in place. 25. To make your lashes look fuller, use waterproof mascara on top of your regular mascara. 26. If you're struggling to put on winged eyeliner, draw the line as close to your lash line as possible, and then connect the dots at the end. This will help you make a more precise line. 27. Apply a primer all over your lid before applying eyeshadow for an intense color payoff. 28. Before bed, mix some Vaseline with a little sugar and massage it into your lips. They'll be soft and super hydrated in the morning. 29. To cover up any dark circles or blemishes, use a concealer that is one shade lighter than your skin tone. 30. If you want to make your lipstick last longer, apply a thin layer of lip liner all over your lips before putting on the lipstick. 31. If your hair is greasy, try using a dry shampoo to absorb the oils. 32. To make your eyes look brighter, use a light-colored eyeshadow on the inner corners of your eyes. 33. Use a green-tinted primer to counteract redness in your skin. 34. For a quick and easy way to curl your hair, use a curling wand with a clamp. 35. If you have trouble applying makeup to your eyebrows, start by drawing the shape of your brows with an eyebrow pencil, and then fill them in using an eyebrow brush. 36. To give yourself a natural-looking faux tan, use the bronzer from your makeup kit and blend it down to your neck. 37. If you struggle with acne or dry skin, try using an exfoliating scrub every other day in place of a cleanser to help remove dead skin cells and moisturize at the same time. 38. For an easy way to curl your lashes without burning your fingers, put them in a pair of heated rollers for 10 minutes before applying mascara. 39. To keep oily hair at bay, spritz some dry shampoo on roots where they look greasy. It absorbs oil on contact. 40. Using Vaseline as lip balm is one of the most underrated beauty tips out there. It makes your lips super hydrated and lasts forever. 41. And finally, to remove all of your makeup at the end of the day, use a cleansing oil rather than soap and water. It'll take everything off without leaving your skin feeling dry or irritated. We hope you enjoyed these beauty tips/hacks. Try them out and let us know how they work for you. This video is only for educational use. Please consult your doctor for any medical and professional advice. Feel free to let us know in the comments. Before you go, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to inform you when we produce another video. Thank you for watching Better Body Tips and for your continued support.